I got a new smartphone. I got it mounted to the dash. I want to see how it's going to work. There's a dash cam. It's 1080p.
Take the next right onto McMullen Booth Road. Continue on McMullen Booth Road for 1 mile.
It's cloudy here in Clearwater, Florida. I don't know how the video will turn out. The old phone recorded pretty good. It's mounted to the dash and to the windshield on one of those holders. It looks like it shakes when you hit bones.
In a 1/4 mile, keep left to continue on South McMullen Booth Road. Keep left to continue on South McMullen Booth Road.
Getting ready to cross the Bayside Bridge, Clearwater, Florida.
In half a mile, use the right lane to take the Florida 686 ramp to Largo. Use the right lane to take the Florida 686 ramp, then merge onto 49th Street North. Merge onto 49th Street North, then turn right onto Florida 686 West. Take the next right onto Florida 686 West, signs for Largo. Continue on Florida 686 West for 2 miles.